Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make hard candy from scratch. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 2/3 cup of light corn syrup, and 3/4 cup of water. Also, prepare a heavy-bottomed saucepan, a candy thermometer, and a greased baking sheet. Don't forget your favorite flavor extract and a few drops of food coloring to customize your delicious treats. This simple method ensures perfect results every time. Now, let's get cooking. Combine the 2 cups of sugar, 2/3 cup of corn syrup, and 3/4 cup of water in your saucepan. Stir this mixture constantly over medium-high heat until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Insert your candy thermometer and allow the mixture to reach a rolling boil. Continue cooking without stirring until the thermometer reads exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. Once your candy syrup reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, carefully remove it from the heat. This next step is crucial and needs to be done quickly. Stir in 1 teaspoon of your chosen flavor extract and a few drops of food coloring. Then, immediately pour the hot, colored mixture onto your prepared, greased baking sheet. Remember, the candy will start to set very rapidly, so work efficiently to get an even layer. Now for the final steps. Allow your poured candy to cool completely at room temperature for at least 30 minutes or until it is firm to the touch. Once fully hardened, you can use a clean, heavy object, like a meat mallet, to gently break the candy into smaller, bite-sized pieces. To prevent sticking, dust the pieces with a little powdered sugar. Store your delicious homemade hard candy in an airtight container, and it will stay fresh for up to several weeks.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.